All right, so we made it out to Youngstown Harley Davidson. As you can see behind me, they're getting ready to set up the DrifterCross. This is a wild event. They've already done one of them out west in Arizona for Arizona Bike Week. It's a bunch of very skilled riders. They're gonna be slinging their bikes sideways, doing a bunch of stunt riding in a very controlled environment, and they're gonna show you just how skilled they are. But I live in Northeast Ohio, and as you can see behind me, this is the type of weather that we get on these days. We had a spiral up overhead, so we didn't know if anything was gonna touch down, but in about an hour, we're gonna get some bikes out here on the track. It's gonna be absolutely wild. I'll bring you guys some footage. All right, so the event is still on, but as you can see, we got some serious northeastern Ohio weather going on. So torrential downpour, we got some lightning striking, but there's still about 20 people en route with their motorcycles. Hopefully this cell blows over real quickly. The sun comes out, dries something up, and we can get some bikes on the parking lot for you guys. All right, so just like I said, Northeast Ohio, we had torrential downpours, got soaking wet for about 20 minutes. Now the sun seems to be popping out, so we'll see what happens here. In Arizona.
Like, oh, that's cool.
Spotted the chopping throttles gear. So it looks like it's clearing up a little bit. They're out here with a blower trying to clear the track, and then we'll see what happens. All right, you guys, so the last of the rain is passing over us now. Sorry for the delay, but I just wanted to show you guys inside Youngstown Harley-Davidson. They have their own brewery in here. So full service bar, some really, really great food, and behind the bar, you can see the vats. They brew all their own beer here on site. It's pretty cool. If you guys are ever in the area, stop in, give it a look. One of the only dealerships in the entire world that brews their own beer on site. So a couple more minutes of rain. Once this stuff passes, they're gonna get out there, start doing some drifting, and we'll get you some action.
Risers, bars, grips, seats. The Dyna heads are in the house. Motorcycles and coffee, representing hard.
All right, you guys, so as you could see, the track was soaking wet. So they were out there with leaf blowers and fans trying to clear off the parking lot so that they can lay down some of these maneuvers. It's very hard to slide a 600-pound motorcycle sideways. Now, adding the water to this event and all the rain, you had to judge your slide when you were locking up your rear brakes going into these corners. Right here, they were out on the pit bike, kind of taking laps, showing them the course and how they were going to maneuver it. And then they started with some time trials. I was there for about 2 hours of the time trials. These guys were putting everything they had into it. They had to readjust their riding styles. They had to completely adjust how their motorcycles were handling on the course and get used to this slick environment. So not only is it super hard to ride these bikes at the level that they're riding them, but being able to judge everything that you're doing with an extra element added in. It was amazing to see how they adapted to this course, and the riding that went down was really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just a time trial. The actual event is this weekend at American Thunder. So hopefully you guys make it out to that event and see who wins from Ohio.
First Ohio DrifterCross win. We got a couple more of these riders coming out.
Got a lot of good people out here tonight, chopping throttles out here. If you guys do not follow his channel, get on YouTube, look up Chopping Throttles and give him a follow. He's doing some of the wildest shit on dirt bikes right now. Dude's an absolute monster, blowing shit up in the woods, driving shit off cliffs. Absolutely amazing. So get out.
YouTube, what up?
Get out and hit chopping throttles and check them out.